Hi guys, how is it going? If anyone is watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe, press the bell icon and select all so you would receive all the new content as soon as I post it. Alright, today we are going to learn about growing Rose of Sharon from seeds. This is my Rose of Sharon plant. It's waking up beautifully. It comes under hibiscus family. It's a beautiful hot weather flowering plant. Colorful showy flowers appear in summer in shades of white, pink, purple and red. Growing Rose of Sharon is easy and effective way to add long-lasting summer color. These are the flowers from this plant from last year. Look at those beautiful blooms. And I have another variety here. And this one blooms this variety of pretty pink flowers. I used to have all my bougainvillea and esperanza. Looks like see, the esperanza is pushing its new growth, and looks like I lost all the bougainvillea there. This one and Rose of Sharon survived in this bed. Rose of Sharon, actually both of them survived from the recent freeze. It's a pretty hardy plant. It survives the freezes, so it's better to have it in the landscape. It's a summer bloomer. It grows 9 to 12 feet tall. This bush prefers mostly moist, well-draining soil, although it will tolerate most soil conditions except those are soggy or extremely dry. A top dressing of organic compost or manure and mulching will definitely benefit the plant. It grows on the current year's growth, so be careful with pruning. It is advisable to prune after the blooming season is done, maybe around fall rather than spring. You can harvest seeds in late fall or early spring. I left some blooms on the plant, so we are harvesting seeds now, and I'll show you how to plant them to regrow more plants. These are the seed pods I just collected. If we open these, we'll find the seeds inside. Let's go inside. I took a white sheet of paper so that you can see the seeds clearly. I'm opening the seed pods. The seeds are inside these seed pods. These are the seeds, you can clearly see here. When you actually grow from seeds, you get a different variety of flowers instead of the same color. That's actually happened. I'll show you in a bit. If you want the exact color of flowers, it's better to grow it from cuttings. From cuttings, it's very easy to grow. The one you have seen earlier actually was grown from a cutting. I collected all the seeds. Out of those 3 pods, I got 7 nice ones. One that's not good. So I took this Miracle Grow potting mix. I'm placing these seeds on top of the soil. Just push them an inch deep inside the soil. Water it, and I'm leaving it inside the counter. This year the weather is kind of weird. Whatever I'm leaving outside, those are not sprouting well, but whatever I'm leaving inside the kitchen counter, it's sprouting nicely. So I'll water these and I'll leave it on the kitchen counter. Actually, I sowed these seeds last week. It already started sprouting. I'll show it to you. Look at this. It's been a week and you can see the little sprouts. It started germinating. The same method, I have grown these from seeds last year, but instead of pink flowers, I got these beautiful white flowers out of these. Look at these blooms, so beautiful. I got this white flower instead of these pink flowers. I collected seeds from this pink flowering plant, but I got these white flowers. I'm excited to see what color of flowers will come from today's seeds. Let's wait and see. So I have now 3 varieties of Rose of Sharon. This one in the pink, 2 colors, and 1 white. So total 3 varieties of Rose of Sharon. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much, guys. All these pretty blooms were from last year. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.